Hi, good morning everyone and welcome to Lifestyles Philippines. I am Christine Kimpo, a Global Marketing Director of Lifestyles, and I'd like to welcome everyone, our viewers, our distributors, our guests who have just tuned in. Welcome, welcome again. So, I encourage you to watch this till the end because this is something that could change your life and it's something that you've probably been wanting. And ito, right now, we believe that the fact that you're watching this means it's now your time. So I came to know Lifestyles in 2001 and it's been 19 years and it has been a blessing to me and that's how it has changed my life. We also want to change yours. So, what will we be covering? Number one is we will talk about the company. Then we'll talk about the mission of Lifestyles and the products behind Lifestyles and the business opportunity. So, Lifestyles home office is located in Toronto, Canada, and in the Philippines, it is in Makati City. So, who is Lifestyles? The mission of Lifestyles is to provide health and wellness solutions to help people live better every day. So, why choose Lifestyles? We are a solid and secure corporation. We've been in business since 1989, and we maintain offices worldwide. We are both the manufacturer and the distributor of our products, and all are produced in Canada in accordance with the GMP and HACCP standards. We also have a proven career and compensation plan, excellent training and support system, and we are a member of the US Direct Selling Association. So for our second topic, we will be discussing about the product. And the person that I'm about to introduce to you is someone who's very credible. She's a nurse by profession. And here, she's doing the business very passionately. So, listen to her intently as she discusses about fighting body pollution. Let us all welcome our Global Marketing Director, Ms. Clarice Arroyo.
Good morning to all our viewers. Thank you so much, GMD for that beautiful introduction. Well, I'm your newly promoted Global Marketing Director. I'm so blessed today because I'll be doing a product presentation for all of you. So bear with me, okay? Thank you so much. By the way, I'm a registered nurse from US, former registered nurse from US, but now a full-time lifestyler. Okay, let me introduce to you who gave me this blessing. It's no other than my dad, who was then 86 years old. So he has this osteoarthritis, frozen shoulder, constipation, insomnia, prostate cancer, and diabetes. And I'm so blessed because hindi po siya yung tipong labas-pasok sa hospital at his age. And he just turned 90 years old last October 2019. And he's enjoying life. Hindi po siya umiinom ng synthetic drugs. He's just taking all these products. And amazingly, his blockbuster story po is just last November 2018. He was able to climb up 700 steps in Mount Tapias. That's in Coron, Palawan. So now let's proceed to my presentation. Okay? So we're talking about global wellness. So what's about global wellness? We're talking about how valuable our health is compared to diamonds and gold. Actually, it's more than that kasi pag nagkasakit tayo, di ba, tulad ngayon sa nangyayari with COVID-19, a lot of people are, affected with this and in just few days, nag-expire po sila. So, nakakatakot po talaga. So, let's be aware that health is wealth also, okay? So, with regards to most developed nations, a lot of people are turning into obese. Lalo po ngayon, we're having this quarantine. Ang mga tao, kain, tulog. So, be careful po. Or else, hindi kayo mamatay sa COVID. Magkakasakit tayo because of hypertension, cholesterol, diabetes, and etc. And a lot of people now are having this quality and balanced life. So, we're talking about that. So, ano po yung nagiging problema? Bakit po lumalaki ang mga cases about this iba-ibang sakit? It's all about our modern lifestyles. Unang-una po, unhealthy eating habits. So, nowadays, again, careful po tayo sa kinakain natin, lalo pag nasa bahay. Bawasan po ang too much carbohydrates. Lalo pang hindi tayo masyadong naggagagalaw, nasa bahay lang tayo, very sedentary. So, make sure na alagaan natin ang sarili natin. Lack of exercise. Again, kahit po nasa bahay lang tayo, we can do exercise. You can help yourself. You can go up the stairs if you have stairs. Kung wala naman po, you can go around the house, maglinis ng bahay. And then, pwede inhale, exhale, stretching. Napaka-importante po yan. So, make sure lahat tayo nag-exercise, okay? And stress. Huwag na po tayo ma-depress, huwag tayo matakot, huwag tayo nag-aalala masyado. All we have to do is pray and help this prevention. So, very important po ang prevention nowadays. Very important din po na increase our immune system. So, environmental pollution. As you can see, yung first three po, you can control that. Pero environmental pollution, wala po tayong magagawa. Lalo na po yung nangyayaring virus ngayon, na ultimo sa metal surfaces, talaga po ang tagal nilang tumatagal. So, let's all be on prevention. So, according to Philippine Health Facts, sabi po dyan, 9 people are diagnosed with cancer every hour. Totoo po yan, kung nagpapacheck up lahat. Pero paano po yung hindi nakakapag-annual check-up? Okay? So, lung cancer, highest cause of death in men. Paano po yung mga, bakit yung iba, hindi naman nanigarilyo, pero nagkakasakit? It's because of second and third hand smoke. And highest rate of breast cancer in Asia. Again, we have to have our mammogram just to check kung ano pong nangyayari sa atin. Especially, dapat marunong po tayo mag-check, self-check on us. Okay? So, sabi pa dyan, 9.7% of Philippine adults population has diabetes. Again, we have to be careful, lalo po nasa bahay tayo. More fruits, vegetables, and proteins. Bawas po tayo sa carbohydrate. Lalo sa gabi, no carb na po tayo sa gabi. And 25.7 Philippine adults have high blood pressure. So, anong nangyayari pag tayo nagkakakain ng kung ano-ano? Nai-stress tayo. Yan po ang tutuluyan natin. Nagkakaroon tayo ng high blood pressure. But you should be happy because ang lifestyles po may solution. We have the business and product solution for today's lifestyles. So, ang commitment po is quality. Don't you know that our products are GMP and HACCP standard? Ibig sabihin po, malinis, puro at safe ang product. Hindi po basta-basta. At ang maganda pa po dyan, halal certified, pwede po tayo sa Muslims, kapatid nating Muslims. That's why we have office in Dubai. And we are kosher. It's because ang may-ari din po ay Jewish Canadians, Sir Sean and David Deborah. We're so happy because we have them. And then, this is our flagship product, which is Intra. It's been there for almost 26 years. It's been there around the world, and hindi po siya basta-basta. Hindi po siya basta-basta magagaya. Napakaganda po ng product. That's why a lot of people, marami na pong yumaman dito dahil proven. For 31 years using the product, napakarami na po ng proven testimonies. At hindi po siya basta-basta dahon lang. Nanggaling po ang mga active component, pwede pong sa bark, pwede pong sa roots, sa leaves, sa berries. So kung saan po yung magandang component niya, dun po yun nanggagaling. So again, hindi po gamot ang product natin. It's a food supplement. Ito po yung monograph natin. Okay. Pinag-aralan po ito ng US. PubMed. So, ibig sabihin, third party, kasi ang company natin is from Canada. So, kinumpare po tayo sa iba't ibang supplement. Nandiyan po ang Goji, Mangosteen, Noni, Acai Berry. We're comparing our product to them with regards to our 8 biological system. That is from head to toe. As you can see, meron pong 3 to 4 checks ang ibang products, but ang Intra po, look. Totoo po yan. Sa totoo lang, you can Google, you can go YouTube, you can talk to other lifestylers. Napakadami na pong proven testimonies. And, pwede po itong i-take with 1 ounce or 2, but ako po, halos iniinom ko po yan ng isang bote, lalo pag masama po ang pakiramdam ko, sipon ubo, napakabilis po yan. At ang maganda po, safe for all ages. Hindi po siya katulad ng ibang supplement na may pang adults, may pang babies. Dito po hindi. Mula babies, kahit 0 age, kahit buntis, kahit 100 plus ka na, pwede ka pong uminom. And can be taken with or without food. Just imagine, with or without food. So, tinitake ko po ito sa umaga, paggising ko kaagad, para ma-detox na po ako kaagad. Okay? So, ito po yung pangalawang product natin. Fiber Life. It's a soluble fiber. At ang maganda po, simple as ABC. It's appetite control. Kaya kung gusto mong sumexy like me, well, uminom ka po niyan. At ang maganda pa po, blood sugar control and cholesterol control. Kaya po ako, kahit buffet queen po ako, hindi po ako tumataba, hindi tumataas ang blood sugar ko. At pati cholesterol. Again, sabi po dyan, heart disease is the #1 cause of death in the Philippines, and diabetes is the fastest growing disease in the Philippines. Paulit-ulit po sinasabi dahil yun po ang totoo. So how does it work? Pag inunom nyo po ang fiber with a glass of water, it forms gel in your tummy like a sponge. Siya po yung nag-absorb ng extra fat, carb, and sugar. So, napakaganda pong isabay ito sa intra kasi mas enhance po ang detoxification. Okay? Introducing our Nutria Blast. Kung si intra po, pampahealthy, si Fiberlife, pampasexy, si Nutria naman po, siya naman po yung pampabeauty. Okay? So, ang sabi po dyan, human disease, zebrafish are being used to study with different diseases, cancer, heart disease, etc. Even effects of environmental toxins and pollution. So, ano po ang laman niya? May tinatawag po kaming Synergy 12. Yan po ang laman niya, fruits and vegetables, together with Seleno Excel. And this Seleno Excel is perfect for cancer prevention. Kaya po ako, awa ng Diyos, before, ang mammogram ko po, talaga naman, laging may nakikita. But 5 years taking the product, take note, lagi pong clear ang mammogram ko. That's why I feel so blessed. So, ano pang nagagawa ng Nutria? So, ito po yung mga nagagawa ni Nutria. Yung inflammation po, inaayos po niya. And then, yung mild UV exposure, inaayos, prevent and heal skin damage. Improve tissue repair and regeneration. So, lalo na po yung may mga sugat-sugat yan, ang bilis po niyang gumaling. Perfect, yan pa ang favorite ko. Perfect abnormal change growth for cancer prevention. Dati po, because of stress, kaliwat kanan po ang surgery ko sa US. Tinanggalan na po ako ng ovary, fallopian, uterus. 3 times po ako inoperahan sa breast. Kasi favorite po kami ng tumor, myoma sa family namin. Cancer runs in the family. I'm so scared. That's why I'm a chemist, right? So alam ko po effect na antioxidant. Takot po ako magka-cancer because my mom died of uterine cancer when she was only 45 years old. Lolo't lola, yan po ay kinakamatay nila, lymphoma, lung cancer. Even my uncle died of prostate. My dad has prostate cancer. So talaga pong left and right, father and mother side talaga po nagkakasakit. So iwas po ako. That's because cancer is the third leading causes of death in the Philippines. So with regards to the company, very stable po, and I'm so blessed dahil nakarating po ako sa main office in Toronto, Canada. That's in Kill Street. The best products, no question asked, proven testimony for 31 plan. Imagine, napaka-generous po when I joined Lifestyles. Grabe yung in-invest ko po dito. Actually, this is the best investment na ginawa ko. I've joined almost a lot of networking business. Ang dami ko na pong na-joinan, ang dami ko na pong ginawa, pero ito lang po yung nakita kong nagbigay sa akin ng magandang result with regards to the product. Sobra-sobra po akong na-bless. Kasi po, after that, for 5 years, nakakita lang po ako ng doktor during annual check-up. So, having this one, dito ko po na-achieve yung mga pangarap ko. Nagkaroon ako ng condo, nagkaroon ako ng sasakyan, dumami po ang bank accounts. And ito po yung last question. How much do you care about your body? We only have one body. You must take care of it. Totoo po yun. Health is wealth. Sa nangyayari po ngayon, even before talaga po ako, priority ko po ang food supplement. Lagi po ako nagbabudget bago po ako gumalaw ng ibang expenses. Ito po muna ang binabudgetan ko. Dahil nung nasa US po ako, doon ang na-realize ko, nung kaliwat kanan ng surgery ko, hindi ito ang gusto kong buhay. Marami kang ang pera, pero anuhin mo yan? Madadala mo ba? Hindi. So nowadays, lalo ngayon na meron tayong ganyang COVID-19 issues, you have to take care of yourself. Again, health is wealth. Wala pong kinikilala ang virus, mayaman, mahirap, maganda ka ba o sexy. Ito lang po. So sana po, take niyo ang product. You don't have to wait for anything. Take the product and share it. So yun lang po, to God be all the glory. God bless.
Thank you very much, GMD Clarissa Arroyo, for sharing with us the products and how it can help fight body pollution. So, for a lot of people have benefited from using the Lifestyles products. So I'd like to call on 3 people to share with us how they were able to benefit by simply using these products. So, the ones that you will hear, their testimonials, you will hear from Executive Director J.R. Ruidera, National Marketing Director Juliet Santasera, and International Marketing Director Stevenson Louis.
Good morning. I am John Reynold Ruedera from Santo Tomas, Batangas, 31 years old. Ang testimony ko, dati madilim yung background ko. Dati akong drug addict. So, ilang beses na ako pinakulong ng magulang ko, 3 beses, tapos 1 beses na rehab. Pero wala pa rin nagawa yung rehabilitation. So, minsan, isang gabi, naka-drugs pa ako noon. Sana kukuha ako ng droga noon, nagpaalam ako sa nanay ko, sabi ko pahingi ako 500 para makukuha ako, makapag-drugs ako. So, hindi niya ako binigyan, pero meron pa naman ako drugs nun sa bahay. So, nakapag-drugs ako hindi dapat ako makakatulog, supposedly na dapat ako makakatulog. So, ang ginawa ng nanay ko, sakit talaga yung ngipin ko, iniwanan niya ako ng intra dun sa tabi ng rep. So, minumug ko daw. Minumug ko na, nasarapan ako. Sabi ko, ba, masarap kong intra. Uhaw kasi yun, di ba? Minom ako kalahating bote. So, after 30 minutes, nagpe-Facebook ako. Naramdaman ko, parang inaantok ko. Tapos uminom muli ako ng intra. Naubos ko sa isang gabi yung isang bote. So, nung naibos ko yun, siguro after 30 minutes ulit, nakatulog na ako. Nagtataka ako paano ako nakatulog kasi hindi ako dapat makakatulog noon. So, yun na, dumaan na yung araw. Nagte-text na sa akin yung mga barkada ko. Sabi, pare, meron dito. Punta ka. Sabi ko, pare, saka na muna. Pas muna ako dyan. Tapos dumaan na yung linggo. Hanggang sinama na ako dito sa lifestyle ng tatay ko. At yun, hindi ko na napansin sa sarili ko na hindi ko na pala hinahanap yung drugs. Tapos yun lang yung testimony ko. Yun lang. Thank you.
Good morning! I'm National Marketing Director Ms. Juliet Santasera. My background, dati pa ako supervisor ng Mega Mall. 2014, nung na-diagnose po yung anak ko na may sakit sa buto, may umubok na buto dito sa dibdib niya, scoliosis, heart problem, at ang kaliwang binti niya hindi po na ititiklop. Kaya nung sinabihan ako ng doktor na wala ng lunas, ang prayer ko that time, sabi ko, Lord, sana makahanap ako ng alternative medicine para sa kanya. True enough, isang araw, sumakay ako ng MRT. May nagbigay sa akin ng calling card, kaya forever thankful kong pasasalamatan siya. Soon to be Global Marketing Director, Ma'am Risa Riglos. Palakpakan po natin siya. At nung nakarating ako ng office, nakita ko kung gaano kaganda yung product. After the presentation, bumili ako ng isang bote. Alam nyo, amazing yung product kasi nung pinainom ko sa anak ko, in just 3 days po, nag-benefit po siya. Kaya after 4 days, na nakita ko yung presentation, nag-sign up po ako, bumili pa ako ng marami kasi ang sabi sa akin ni Ma'am Risa, painumin kong massive yung anak ko. Kaya I thank the Lord kasi that time, pinainom ko siya massive. Kaya in just 3 weeks, taking the product massively, yung buto ng umumbok dito sa dibdib ng anak ko, pumantay po yun. Kaya after 1 month, nag-resign ako supervisor sa SM Mega Mall. Binasib kong painom yung anak ko ng Intra, Nutria, and Fiber Life. Alam nyo, amazing talaga kasi yung 3 taon na hindi siya makalakad, dito po 3 months nakalakad po yung anak ko. Ngayon po, magli5 taon na po siyang nakakalakad ngayon. Kung nag-pray po kayo para sa kagalingan ng pamilya ninyo, mas maganda po na gawin, drink Intra, share Intra, and pass it on. Good morning and to God be the glory.
Good morning! My name is Stevenson Loy. Nakilala namin yung product na Intra noong 2010 dahil ang father ko is na-stroke yung father ko, bedridden siya that time. Dinala namin siya sa hospital and naubos lahat ng income namin pero inuwi pa rin namin siyang bedridden. And then nung nakilala namin yung Intra, thanks to our GMD Angie Liwanag, pinainom ko si Papa ng 1 bottle a day ng Intra. After 1 month taking the product, ang father ko is nakaupo na siya mag-isa. After 3 months taking the product, ang father ko fully recovered. Up to now, naglalakad, nagja-jogging, nagsasalita, walang bahid na na-stroke ang father ko because of our product. So I encourage lahat na uminom ng product para sa health nila, para ma-prevent, or kung may sakit, inumin nyo lang to kasi you will never go wrong sa product. So drink Intra, share Intra, and pass it on. Good morning!
So thank you very much to our sharers. And just like me, I came to know Lifestyles in 2001, di ba? It was because of my daughter's skin asthma. She was 3 years old at the time. And she benefited after taking the products only 3 days na wala pa yung skin asthma niya. So that paved the way for us until now to consistently use the product to help build our immunity. So as how phenomenal the products of Lifestyles are, we also have an equal phenomenal business. So napakaganda po niya. And it's something really worth looking at. Ngayon, the person who will share with you what's the career and compensation plan behind Lifestyles is someone who's been very dedicated in doing this business. She is an accountant by background and been working for Commission on Audit all the way from Bicol. Let us welcome our Global Marketing Director, Rochelle Angel Cayabyab.
I met Lifestyles way back 2008 while I was working sa Commission on Audit. Pinakilala siya ng friend ko named IMD Shiri Patafudo. Nung pag na-introduce sa akin yung Lifestyles, decided na ako agad mag-join. Alam niyo kung bakit? Kasi that month, na-diagnose yung father ko kung may colon cancer, so kailangan daw ng food supplement. Sabi yun ng doktor sa National Kidney Institute. So hindi ako nagdalawang isip, nag-join ako agad. Akala ko noon part-time lang. Kasi syempre, mahal magpa-chemotherapy. Pero 6 months after taking the product, na-declare siyang colon cancer-free, 80,000 a month na rin yung check ko. Diba maganda? So sabi ko, chance ko na to para makabayad ng loans sa gobyerno. At yung bahay namin natabunan noon, kasi bumagyo sa Bicol, may improve at gumanda ulit yung buhay namin. Pero nung nag-check na kami ng 6 digit a month, nag-decide na kami mag-asawa na hindi na pala to part-time, pang full-time pala to. So, ang maganda noong 2012, nag-resign ako sa Commission on Audit. Yung husband ko, nag-resign sa DepEd noong 2013. Ano ang kapalit? Time sa family. Ang nakakatuwa, nadala na rin namin yung mga anak namin sa abroad. At ngayon na may COVID, lockdown tayo, kahit nasa bahay lang, may business kami. Eto yung maganda, nakapag-travel din kami abroad. Hindi lang basta libre, kundi yung iba, kayang bayaran kasi malaki ang commission sa Lifestyles. Alam nyo kung ano yung favorite ko dyan? Yung pagpunta namin ng Dubai. Kasi, may mga distributors na kami doon. Nakapamasyal ka na, may business ka pa. Isa pa, yung mga pangarap namin ng mga cars, naku, nabibili talaga dahil ang laki ng income sa Lifestyles. Marami din na kaming na-experience na nakapamili kami ng properties. Diba maganda yon? Kaya kung sino man nag-share sa'yo ng video, manood ka mabuti kasi eto na yung mga sagot sa mga panalangin mo. Hindi lang basta healthy yung family, kikita ka pa ng malaki. Alam mo ba, masayang-masaya kami kasi yung family namin, especially our parents, hanggang ngayon malulusog, walang mga sakit, at continuous na gumagamit ng products ng libre. O ano, ready ka na? So, let's turn this business na maging global, nasa bahay ka, kumikita ka pa. Diba? So, sabi ni Chinese proverb, pag may maganda ka daw na-receive, maganda siyang ma-share, diba? Kaya sabi ko nga, very thankful ako doon sa nag-invite sa akin, naka-office mate ko, si Shi, kasi dahil sa kanya, nagbago yung buhay namin. At eto pa, kaya ako naniwala agad, kasi na nag-attend ako ng presentation, sabi ni Paul Zane Pilzer, isa siya economy expert, magbo-boom daw yung internet by year 2000. Diba, nagkatotoo? Alam nyo ba, ito yung magandang prediction niya. So, basahin natin na sabay-sabay. Sabi ni Paul Zane Pilzer, 10 million new millionaires will be created by 2016. You can become one of them, especially if you're in direct selling, technology, or home-based business. Ito na yon. Imagine, kahit naka-lockdown, may business kami operating 41 countries. So, ano ba talaga yung katotohanan? Bakit kailangan natin kumita? At kailangan natin dumiskarte. Kasi, sabi nga, sa Philippine Wealth Facts, 1 out of 4 household lang ang may savings. At karamihan, maraming loans. Alam niyo kung bakit? Kasi nga, yung sweldo, kung hindi sakto, zero. At marami ngayon ng mga Pilipino naghahanap talaga ng business. Lalo na ngayon, marami na apektuhan, kailangan natin ng diskarte. So, pwedeng, pag nakinig ka ng mga susunod pang presentation, one day, isa ka na rin sa mga napayaman ng Lifestyles. You can be one of the many millionaires the highest pin level, which is the Global Marketing Director. So, paano ka magsisimula? Ito ang ladder of success. Dito sa amin, yung kikitain mo, ikaw ang magde-decide. So, pwede kang kumitang 40,000 a month, 75,000 a month, pwede ka rin kumitang 200,000 a month. At kung talaga magpapaturo ka at akyatin mo yung ladder of success as Global Marketing Director, pwede kang kumita ng 1 million a month. O, di ba? Ang ganda? So, paano ka na magsisimula? So, bibili ka ng package or mag-wholesale ka. Sabi nga, pag wholesale, malaki yung discount. Ito yung unang wholesale package na pwede mong simulan. Instant Direct. Sa Instant Direct, bibili ka ng 22 Better Together Kit, 22 na ganyan na green box. Ang laman ng isang Better Together Kit, 4 na products. 2 Intra, 1 Nutria, 1 Fiber Life. Ang Intra is 1.8, ang Nutria is 1.5, ang Fiber Life is 1.5. So, all in all, yung isang Better Together Kit is 6,600. So, bibili ka ng 22, kaya ang selling price niyan is 145,200. Pero dahil wholesale kang bumili, 30% agad ang outright discount mo. So, 103,640 lang ang babayaran mo, pwedeng credit card or cash. So, may profit kang 41,560. Ito ang maganda. Siyempre, gusto natin makainom, di ba? May libre. Yung siyam na intrang libre, 16,200 free products yan. And, pwede mo rin siyang ibenta kasi wala siyang tatak na free. So, all in all, yung 41,000 na profit and yung free, ang babalik sa'yo is 57,000. Imagine, 103 lang yung kapital, pero yung kikitain mo, 57,000. Diba magandang business? So, meron pang isang package. Kung medyo naralakihan ka sa Instant Direct, meron naman tinatawag na Express Direct. So, hinati na lang siya. 11 na lang yan, ha? 11 na Better Together Kit, 72,600 yung selling price. Pero, 20% off ka agad, kaya ang babayaran mo, 60,080 na lang. So, magkano yung kikitain sa products? 12,520. At meron kang libre. So, ilan ang libre mo? 3 bote ng Intra. 5,400 yon. So, plus, the saving, profit sa products, may savings ka na 17,920. So, ang question, bakit ba maganda mag-wholesale? Number 1, maraming libre, and makakatipid ka. And of course, maganda yung mamakuha mo yung maximum discount na 40%. So, bago ka mag-decide, tingnan mo munang mabuti, alin ba yung maganda? Instant Direct Package or Express Direct? Sa Instant Direct, 103 yung kapital, 22 boxes. Sa Express, 60 yung kapital, 11 boxes. So, di ba, obvious naman na mas maganda yung Instant Direct. Kaya kung matalino ka, dito dapat ang choice mo, Instant Direct. So, either of the two, kung ano man ang mapili mo dyan, ang next purchase mo, 40% na. At may 1 million kang accident insurance and medical reimbursement in case of accident. So, ano ibig sabihin nun? Yung 1.8 ng Intra, mabibili mo na lang na 1,080. O, diba? Maganda? At, eto, maganda. 720 ang pwede mong ma-discount. Kung magsishare ka at makabenta ka ng 1 bottle a day, pwede kang kumita ng 21,600. Okay na yon na pang retail income. So, akala ko nun, hanggang doon na lang yung business. Kaya lang, syempre, yung mga kaibigan natin, gusto rin gayahin yung ginawa natin. So, halimbawa, nagsimula ka. Pumili ka ng Instant Direct. Syempre, gagayahin ka ng kaibigan mo. Bawat kaibigan na gumaya sa'yo, for example, na may ka-anim kang kaibigan, na gumaya sa'yo ng instant din, the company will give you 16,335. Wow, di ba ang laki nun? Times 6, may 98,010 ka. Manager's check, Union Bank. Eto pa maganda. Sabi ng company, kailangan healthy ka as a distributor, bibigyan ka niya ng maraming libre. Bawat dalawang mag-join, meron kang 9 bottles of Intra free. So kung 6 yan, meron kang 3 pair, meron kang 27 bottles Intra na libre. Pag binenta mo yan ng 1.8, 48,600 yan. So, cheque plus libre, magkano lahat ang kinita mo? 146,610. O diba, san ka pa? At mapopromote kang executive director. So, nung makita ko na ganyan kalaki yung kitaan, sabi ko, wow, amazing talaga yung business. Pero mas na-amaze ako dito sa power of duplication. Kasi, diba, nagsimula ka, ikaw lang mag-isa. Tapos, may makukuha kang 6 na gagawin din yung ginagawa mo. Sabihin na natin, 3 to 5 years. Ito na yung total distributor sa buong organization mo. May sa Canada, may sa US, kung saang part na ng bansa. 9,331 yon. Pero sabihin na natin, to be realistic, mga 1,866 lang yan ang magtutuloy na gumamit ng Intra. At bawat isa niyan, bibili lang ng 3 set para sa family. Pero alam mo ba, dahil part siya ng organization mo, babayaran ka ng company ng royalty bonus na 1,187,559. Diba ang laki? Alam nyo, nung una, akala ko hindi yan totoo. Pero nung na-realize ko na yung products nga pala, hindi ina-advertise sa TV, wala sa wholesale and retail environment, ibig sabihin, yun yung kapalit in terms of royalty sa mga tao na gumagawa ng business. So, eto yung tinatawag namin na passive income. Darating ang panahon, hindi mo na tinatrabaho, pero kumikita ka pa. O diba, maganda? So, dito sa Lifestyles, we help you achieve your dreams, financial independence, better health, more time freedom. Sino ba naman ang ayaw maging healthy? And of course, kaya may maraming time freedom kasi we can operate in our homes. Kasi naka-digital na tayo ngayon. So, dito, para maging successful ka, kailangan malaki yung pangarap mo. So, malaki ba ang pangarap mo? And, of course, willing tayong magtrabaho. And lastly, kailangan willing kang magpaturo. We have our coaches and mentors in this business na lagi nandiyan para gumabay sa amin na maakyat din yung ladder ng Lifestyles. So, kung bago ka ngayon, talk to the person who shared to you this video kasi ito na yung sagot sa mga panalangin mo. So, that's all. Thank you and good morning.
So thank you very much, GMD Rochelle, for sharing with us the career and compensation plan of Lifestyles. And we're so blessed because we have 3 people who will share with us how they were able to climb successfully our ladder of success. Then these are 3 global marketing directors from different areas. So I'd like to welcome Global Marketing Director Elwin Sabuco, Global Marketing Director Tina Perias, and our highest income earner, Global Marketing Director Ms. Peng Mendoza.
Good morning! I'm Global Marketing Director Elwin Sabuco from Pasig City. Before Lifestyles, I used to be an engineer at the same time realtor for almost 20 years. Magandang kita, yun nga lang walang nag-guide, walang nagtuturo, walang nag-coach, walang nagme-mentor. So natuto kong mag-casino. For how many months, naman ako ng casino na addict. So, try to makaahon to through real estate. Nagpunta ako ng abroad para magbenta ng condominium. Nga lang nung maahon na ako, nagkasakit naman ako. As young as 33 years old, nagkaroon na ako ng high blood, pre-diabetic connection to blindness, at gouty arthritis. Gusto ko pang umahon, yun nga lang katawan ko, hindi na kaya. So, na-depress ako. Gumuho ang buhay ko. So, nagkaroon ako ng depression prayer. Sabi ko, Lord, ibalik mo lang ang kalusugan ko. And I promise magsiserve ako sa iyo. And God answered my prayer. Nakilala ko ang babaeng ito. Total stranger kami sa SPM MOA. Ang sabi niya sa akin, Elwin, kung magpapatulog sa akin, magiging healthy ka na, yayaman ka pa. Pero the question is, hindi naman siya mukhang healthy. Hindi rin siya mukhang mayaman. Kaya lang, I'm very thankful. Binigyan ako ng wisdom ni Lord na makinig sa taong ito. So I tried the product. Yung alone, nag-benefit na ako. Just 1 week. Nag-benefit na ako. Ang sabi niya sa akin, Elwin, kung mahal mo ang sarili mo, iinom ka ng Intra for life. Kung mahal mo ang pamilya mo, gagawin mo yung negosyo para forever sila makinom ng libre. Mahal na mahal ko po ang pamilya ko. At gusto kong makinom ng libre. Kaya gusto niyo ng libre? So, ang ginawa ko, umatin ako ng training, umupo ako sa presentation nila, at nakita ko ng ladder of success na ito. Pwede ka pa nang kumita ng 1 million month after month kung gagawin mo itong negosyo. Ang higit sa lahat, ang nakita ko doon, 3 lang pala ang susi sa tagumpay nila. mataas ang pangarap, willing to work, at the same time teachable. Mataas ang pangarap ko. Very in fact, nakatira kami sa squatter noon, kaya ako nagsipag para magkaroon ng sariling bahay. Kaya malaki ang pangarap ko, bata pa lang. Willing to work, kilala ko po sarili ko, masipag po ako. Very in fact, 11 years old pa lang ako, nagtitinda na ako ng sigarilyo, pandesal, pinasok ko rin ng karpintero, hanggang bagya. Nag-working student ako hanggang sa maging engineer. So, talagang alam ko masipag ako. Nagka-problema lang ako doon sa teachability. Willing naman ako magpaturo, yun nga lang sa isang ingyero, manager, sa isang broker. Pero yung magpapaturo ko sa isang manicurista, palintera, high school graduate, major challenge sa may part. Kaya lang, yun naman dahilan para magbago ang buhay ko. Ba't hindi ko gagawin? So, ang sabi rito, tuturuan, tutulungan, sasamahan. So, I got instant package. Instant package direct. So, in just a matter of 3 years, I got 3 brand new car. Nag-start ako videos, Montero, and then video, lahat yun brand new. Kasabay nun, within 3 years din, 4 na condominium. Mandaluyong, Quezon City, and even in Baguio. At may kasama pang biyahe. Local, buong Pilipinas na lang, naikot ko na. And even international. Kasama ko pa pamilya ko. Sa ngayon, Singapore, Malaysia, Hong Kong, Macau, Beijing, China, and even Australia. Ang maganda nun, kasama ko pa ang wife ko, which is the National Marketing Director, Maria Ana Sabulo. Oops, given na yung biyahe, given na yung kotse, given na yung finances. I'm very thankful ako kasi yung promise ko kay Lord na magsiserve ako sa Kanya. 7 taon na rin po ako nagsiserve sa ministry. I found the ministry Light of Jesus Family for full-time kung gano'n magsiserve sa Kanya. So, just doing lifestyles alone, nagawa ko na rin ang tungkulin ko bilang mamayang Pilipino. Hopes, nangyari sa akin. 10 years na po ako sa lifestyles. Dati ang pangarap ko lang, I want to retire at the age of 40, retire young, retire rich, retire healthy, but most of all, retire pa ako. Ito po nangyari ngayon. Yung dati kong mentor, na ganito yung tsura, gumanda siya. Diba? At ito man yung tsura ko dati. Tingnan niyo siya. Ito siya ngayon. Gwapo ba? So, nangyari sa akin, alam ko mangyayari din sa inyo. Thank you, and to God be all the glory.
Hi! Good morning! Welcome po sa aming mga Facebook viewers online at the comfort of their homes. I'm Global Marketing Director Tina Perias from Lipa, Batangas. So, I started doing the business at the age of 24. Wala akong background sa sales, but then I was looking for other opportunities that can add income to my family. Since yung kita ko bilang empleyado sa isang hotel is not enough to sustain our needs. So, I've been trying to work abroad. I've been applying to a job abroad in US and in UK. But unfortunately, hindi yata yun ang aking swerte. So, that's the time, it was my lowest point of my life when I met Lifestyles. I thank God. I will be forever thankful to the person who shared me the opportunity. And now, my life has changed forever. So, how did I do it? I started with an Express Direct package. I bought an Express Direct package and I do the business part-time, spending 3 to 4 hours every day, sharing my testimony to my friends. Then I was amazed, after a month, I was able to receive 38,000 pesos worth na check. Sabi ko sa sarili ko, my part-time is giving me more income than my full-time job. So, why not make it a full-time na? So, I resigned from my work. My boss didn't approve for my resignation. So, I awol. Nag-awol na po ako. Pinar ko na yung boss ko. And, nag-focus ako sa aking business. After 3 months, I was promoted Executive Director. After another 12 months, I was promoted as a National Marketing Director. Then, on On June 2015, after 3 years of doing the business, I became one of the youngest global marketing director. So, I'm so thankful and I'm so grateful. As a global marketing director, we were able to travel to Asia with my family, to Europe, to Australia, and to United States of America. And by simply sharing the business, we were able to buy 4 brand new cars and 2 house and lots in a span of 5 years. I am thankful to my mentor, GMD Peng Mendoza. If not for her, I wouldn't be as successful as I am today. So sign up for your dreams and let's help people live better every day. To God be all the glory. Thank you.
Hi! Good morning! I'm Peng Mendoza from Lifestyles. I joined Lifestyles November 1999. So 20 years na ako dito. Bakit ako nagtagal? Kasi ang daming blessings na binigay ng Lifestyle sa akin. Hindi ako natapos ng college. I'm a college dropout. Pero ang dami nabigay na blessings dito at ang dami kong na-achieve. Just because one day, I joined Lifestyles. Busy ako noon nung inaalok ako dito. Meron akong 3 pwesto ng traditional business. Akala ko yun na yung gagawin ko sa buong buhay ko. Kaya lang, masakit ang ulo ko doon kasi malaki ang utang ko sa company, marami akong pinapautang, at yung mga pinautang ko, pinapautang din nila. So, just imagine paggabi, iniisip ko kung makakabayad ba talaga kami ng utang. But then again, ayoko pa rin sana ito na pasukin kasi nga network marketing. Pero, binili ko yung product kasi alam nyo naman, hindi ko mahindian yung taong nag-invite sa akin. So pag inom ko ng product, nawala yung ulcers ko. Ang ganda ng product. Yung mom ko, high blood, na normal yung BP. Yung kapatid kong doktora na hindi nagkakaanak for 4 years dahil may PCOS siya. After 4 months of taking intra, nabuntis siya. Ang ganda talaga ng product. So nung nakita ko yung presentation, sabi pwede ka raw kumita ng ₱250,000 isang buwan. Basta mag-start ka lang, mag-instant direct ka. Nung gabing yon, naghanap ako ng mauutangan, nag-instant ako, at naging direct distributor ako. Tuwan-tuwa ako kasi sabi niya, dahil nag-instant ka, sasamahan kita, tutulungan kita, tuturuan kita. Nagpaturo ako sa kanya. After 18 months of doing the business, sinusundan ko step by step kung anong sinasabi niya. I became First Lady Global Marketing Director, a millionaire. Nagbago ang buhay ko. Ano nangyari sa amin? Ang dami nangyari sa amin. Dati karag-karag ang sasakyan ko. Dito, nakabili ako ng napakaraming sasakyan. Siyempre, 20 years na ako. More than 20 cars na ang nabili namin. Hindi ko na masabi kung ano-ano, pero yan ang favorite ko, Land Cruiser. Properties. Dati kami nakatira sa squatters area. Ngayon, nandito kami sa 1,000 square meter lot here in the heart of Metro Manila. May swimming pool, malaking garden, maraming rooms. Kaya tuwan-tuwa kami dito. Nakalipat na kami dito sa bahay na malaki. At hindi lang yon, nagkaroon pa kami ng maraming properties sa iba't ibang lugar dito sa Pilipinas. Luzon, Visayas, Mindanao. Maraming condos na nare-rent out. At kung ano-ano pa, mga house and lot sa iba't ibang lugar. Kung makikita nyo, ayan, nandyan. At ito yung na-enjoy ko, travel. Mahilig ka rin ba mag-travel? Makaka-travel ka dito sa iba't ibang bansa. Hindi lang sa Pilipinas, sa iba't ibang bansa. At hindi lang yung sarili mo. May isasama mo pa yung buong pamilya mo. Mga kapatid ko, mga pamangkin ko, at ang nanay ko na isama ko dito sa iba't ibang parte ng mundo. Ang saya, di ba? Ayan, kung saan kami nagpupunta, sa Europe, sa North America, even sa Holy Land, Israel, sa Middle East, many parts in Asia, napuntahan na namin. Kasama ko ang nanay ko. Kaya masaya kami. Sana makasali ka rin dito sa Lifestyles at maranasan mo rin kung ano yung nararanasan namin. Isa pa, ang Lifestyles, lagi niyang nire-recognize ang achievement ng mga distributors niya. Kaya ito, Laging meron kaming recognition of achievements, may monthly, may annual, na talagang mapipil mo na mahal ka ng kumpanya. So, ito ang masasabi ko sa inyo. Kung ngayon, nahihirapan ka sa sitwasyon, hindi mo alam ang future mo, kung paano pagtanda, paano pag-retire, ang mga anak mo, hindi mo alam kung paano mo pag-aaralin. Well, buti na lang nandito ka. You seen the right opportunity. Kagaya ng nangyari sa amin dito, pwede rin mangyari yan sa iyo. Matupad mo ang mga pangarap mo, at hindi lang pangarap mo, magiging channel ka pa of blessings to many, many people. Hindi lang sa mga kaibigan mo, at pati sa mga taong hindi mo pa kakilala. Join Lifestyles! So, thank you very much, Global Marketing Directors, for sharing your stories. Ako po, I'm also a Global Marketing Director. After 19 years in this lifestyles business, I was able to acquire so many cars, two of which are my favorites, the BMW X3 and the Mercedes-Benz. And out of this business, I was able to not only pay yung 4 million ko na utang, but this was also able to help me acquire 9 condominium units that I'm currently renting out. Di ba, ganyan kaganda yung business natin. So if you want to know how to build this business, yung papakilala ko sa inyo susunod na speaker is someone na talagang very passionate siya sa paggawa nito. And no wonder she is our second highest income earner here in Lifestyles. She is by background an entrepreneur. She was with the RTW business but doing the business full-time now. Let us welcome our Global Marketing Director, Angie Liwanag.
Good morning, everyone. How are you today? Alam ko, excited kayo sa mga narinig nyo. By the way, thank you very much for that wonderful introduction, GMD Christine. Ako po si Angie Liwanag. In a few days from now, sa March 30, ilang araw na lang yun, I'll be celebrating my 16 happiest years in Lifestyles. Bago ko ikwento sa iyo ang mga magagandang nangyari sa akin, pag-usapan muna natin ang mga nanonood na guest natin sa ngayon. I'm sure may excite ka kasi sa lahat ng nangyayari sa ngayon, sino ba naman ang ayaw maging healthy na, wealthy pa? Diba? Very timely itong lifestyles opportunity. Pero may tanong ako sa inyo. Where will you be 3 to 5 years from now if you continue doing what you're currently doing? A lot of our guests are employed. A lot of our guests have traditional businesses. But look at what happened with COVID-19 situation. Of course, we acknowledge it's a global pandemic. Pero tignan mo, ako, personally, I would like to praise and thank and honor the Lord kasi nasa lifestyles ako. Our business is still moving. Our business is still alive online. Wow! Diba? Kaya ikaw, if you are working today, alam naman natin, you will entail a lot of stress. Pag naman nasa traditional business ka, gaya ng story ko na meron ako dating pwesto sa mall, sa different malls in Metro Manila, meron akong tiyangge. Kaya lang sa sobrang taas ng overhead ng mga rent, nako, na-stress ako at nagkasakit ako. Ano yung mga naging sakit ko? Mamaya pag-uusapan natin yan. So pag hindi mo binago yan, na ginagalawan mong career, walang mababago, tama? Now, you were inspired with the people who speak kanina. Alam ko, sure ako, kasi yun din ang nangyari sa akin. What if, with that inspiration, you will be willing to make a change? Yun ang pinaka-powerful na pwede mong gawin, the mindset. We will change our mindset. Ano bang change ang gagawin natin? We will adapt to the abundance mindset, so to speak, Kasi sa Lifestyles, kami, the Global Marketing Directors and elite leaders of Lifestyles are geared towards equipping people on their mindset. At alam mo, like what happened to me in 3 years' time because of our trainings na ngayon ongoing pa rin online dahil our business is still moving kahit na ganito ang sitwasyon. What can happen to you 3 to 5 years from today? Wow! You will imagine what can happen to you doon sa mga napanood mo kanina, di ba? Na-excite ka rin doon. Nakarelate ka. I'm sure you will have more time to spend with your family and friends. Masarap na masarap yung time. That is the most precious commodity that God ever made. Alam ko, lumalaki yung mga anak mo. Alam ko, ang magulang mo tumatanda. Pag ginagawa mo itong ganitong business just like us, alam mo, you will have the liberty to spend time with them pag ikaw ay global marketing director na. At patuloy ang iyong negosyo. What else? Kasi hindi lang naman financial freedom ang ma-offer ng Lifestyles, freedom from health challenges. Lifestyles can also offer time freedom. O, di ba? Now, you will have freedom to work where, when, and with whom you choose. Naku, maganda yan. Alam mo bakit? May kalayaan ka. Hindi sinasabi, hindi ka nakatali sa 8 to 5 job. Hindi ka, sorry for my technical ha, hindi ka nakatali sa 4 walls of your office. At ang higit pa sa lahat, okay? Sorry, nagkaroon po ako ng technical problem. Let me fix this first. Okay? Alam mo na, online tayo, medyo high-tech na, di ba? Nag-a-adjust it. So, when we talk about freedom, time freedom, you will have choices. You will have choices. Ano yung mga choices na yon? You will have a choice to work with whom and where you want to work. Yun ang nangyayari sa amin. We enjoy working elsewhere. Kasi hindi kami nakatali sa 4 corners of the office. You will have more income than bills at the end of each month. Wow! Siyempre, sino ba naman ang ayaw niya? Lahat ng tao ayaw na lagi na lang malalaki yung bills kesa sa yung pumapasok sa bulsa. But with Lifestyles, you know what happened to us? It's such a blessing na na-overcome namin yung mga financial crisis at ang bills, hindi na problema yan. What else can happen to you? Kasi hindi lang naman ito pera-pera. We will have, as I said kanina, freedom to work elsewhere. No? It's a global business. And you will experience a life without debt. Walang utang. Thank God, I joined Lifestyle 16 years ago. Naku, 3 araw na lang, magsiselebrate na ako ng 16 years anniversary. Wow! Dahil doon, ngayon, I am totally debt-free. Praise God, there's Lifestyles career, no? Our business. Ano ba ang pwedeng mangyari sa'yo? Simple, you will have vacations. Ito yung miss na namin kasi may lockdown, ano? Pero it's alright. Kasi we've been to a lot of countries, we've traveled the world already, and we experienced traveling in style because of this business. So guys, let us culminate all of this. Simple lang. Ang totoo, life is a choice, isn't it? I'm sure you're saying yes. Kasi your life today is the result of the attitude and the choices you made in the past. Lahat tayo ganon. Lahat ng pinili natin in the past, yung resulta nun, kung ano ang buhay natin ngayon. Buti na lang, pinili kong maging Lifestyles distributor 16 years ago. Now, if you will join us, and we are welcoming you, what can happen to you is your life tomorrow will be the result of the choice you're gonna make today. Folks, our office is digitally operational. Grabe! You can purchase your Instant Direct or your Instant Direct, or maybe you can start small with Express Direct. But what's important, ask the person who shared you this video. Kasi alam mo, malaking blessing ito. Kwento ko lang ng maikli yung sa akin. Ako ito dati, na nakwento ko kanina, meron akong tindahan sa mall. Ang dami kong stress. Grabe! I had diabetes when I was 23 years old. Imagine that! I developed diabetes type 2 mellitus. Tignan mo naman, ang laki-laki. I weigh, wow, I don't know, ilang kilos ako dyan. Ayoko nang alalahanin, ano? Ano pa yon? Nagkaroon ako ng diabetes, arthritis, gastroenteritis, pharyngitis, scoliosis, nauwi lahat sa bursitis. Diba? For operation ako sa goiter, hemorrhoids, at saka laser sa mata, kasi 300 ang grado ko noon. Praise God for this product, especially Intra, Nutria, and Fiber Life. Alam mo bakit? Massively, I took these products, 1 bottle a day. Kasi nag 40% discount kagad ako because I'm gonna do the business. You see my picture there? Alam mo, after taking it for 30 days, went back to Manila doctors. For operation ako ng goiter, hemorrhoids, tsaka laser sa mata for 200,000. After 30 days massively taking all these supplements, canceled yung 200,000 na operation ko. Ang galing! And what else is left for me to do? Of course, I will want to do the business. Excited ako. Pinainom ko yung kuya ko, yung family ko, yung ate ko, yung may Parkinson's disease, na kuya ko. Naku, naniwala sila kagad sa business. Look at the output. Brand new cars. Siyempre, sino bang hindi nangangarap? I'm driving a luxury car right now. I've experienced brand new cars with lifestyles. At masayang-masaya ako. Fully paid lahat yan because of the lifestyles business. What else? Lahat tayo nangangarap ng travel. You can travel with your family, Asia. You can travel in countries na mayroong mga snow, di ba? Like Japan, Korea, US, di ba? What else? Alam mo, you will not only travel, you will travel in style. We traveled in Europe, in a lot of countries in Europe, but we traveled in style, meaning to say, naka-business class, meaning to say, nagsha-shopping, and meaning to say, nako, hindi ka sa basta mumurahing hotel lang. This can happen to you, what happened to us, because lifestyles business doesn't only promise, they deliver. We went to London, Ireland, and Scotland na rin. Last year lang yan, no? May. Ako, ang saya-saya ko kasi iba talaga pala yung feeling makaikot sa buong mundo. And real estate properties, of course, who doesn't want magkaroon ng transfer certificate of title na nakapangalan sa kanya? Yan ang pangarap ko kasi dati taga-squatters area lang ako sa San Andres, Bukid, Manila. But now, I acquired 7 real estate properties, 4 of which condominium, 1 apartment, isang bahay sa Green Hills, at meron akong lote na fully paid na rin lahat ng properties ko. May lote ako dito sa Ayala West Grove Heights na soon, after all this chaos, sisimula na yung dream home ko. What else? Siyempre, hindi ka lang nangangarap niyan, no? Nangangarap ka rin mag-travel, mag-real estate properties, but ito yung hindi kayang bayaran ng pera. Alam niyo kung ano? Yung marami kang natutulungan dahil nag-Lifestyles Global Marketing Director ka. I am right here as a GMD. Meron na po akong 7 Global Marketing Directors under my organization and more elite leaders and distributors na nakakaranas na rin po ng brand new cars, brand new condos, houses, travel with parents, a happy family. Alam nyo, it's good to be a blessing. So what are you waiting for? Halika, pag-usapan nyo nung nag-imbita sa'yo panoorin ng video ito. Kunin mo na ang life's purpose mo through lifestyles. Dahil alam ko, ang pangarap mo, inadya sa'yo ng Panginoon. And it is indeed for you. Thank you very much. Welcome to Lifestyles.
So thank you very much, GMD Angie. So thank you also to our viewers who stayed with us till the end of the video. And if you want to know more about Lifestyles, go back to the person who shared this video to you, talk to them, and see how you can start your journey here in Lifestyles. Bye!